Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to remove dark circles in Adobe Photoshop CC in just 1 minute. With the background layer selected, press Ctrl or Command plus J to make a copy. Now select the background layer again and click on the new layer button to create a new layer between them. Select layer 1 and then go to filter and then convert for smart filters. To convert it into a smart object, hit OK and then go to filter again, other and then high pass. Now keep the value of 0.1, keep on increasing it. Stop the point where you begin to see the dark circles. So I'm going to stop at 4.7, hit OK. Now change the blend mode from normal to overlay. Press Ctrl Alt G. Select layer 2. Select the eyedropper tool. Make sure the sample in front and below and sample size is 5 by 5. Take the brush, hold the Alt option, sample from the brighter area, then just paint on a darker area. Now it's too much. Decrease the flow to somewhere around 5% and do the same. Keep on doing it and you will easily, very nicely, beautifully remove the dark circles. Here you can see how much easily we have removed the dark circles in very short time. If you like my video then subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye.